Hi, my name is Tony DeGraff from Berks and welcome to 8 to 25 Varick Street, a recently renovated, beautifully presented townhouse located at one of the finest streets in Como. Come, experience it for yourself. The complete modernisation to the kitchen, laundry and bathroom sets a stylish and modern theme throughout, loaded with functionality, sweeping bench tops and plenty of custom storage. The warmth of stunning jarrah timber floors, tied with the jarrah wood shutters, gives this property a wonderful, homely feel. The north-facing aspect to the spacious, easy-care courtyard guarantees an abundance of light and winter sun into your living areas.